Okay. Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First, get a rectangle sheet of paper and fold the paper left side and make the corners touch. And then take the folding off. Then fold these parts to the middle. Fold the right side and left side to the middle. And then repeat the same thing at the right side and left side. And then fold the same thing to the right side, to the left side. And then fold this right side to the left side. Okay. And then fold the right side corner by holding this, fold it backwards, like this. And then turn to the left side, and then fold the same thing backwards again. And then you have your airplane, and your airplane should look like this. Thank you.